Hi, Shell here from Shell's Craft Corner. Just 2 products really. I was drawn to this Crafters Inspiration magazine purely because of this cute little dragon here. Some John Next Door dies, because I really like John Next Door's dies. And the day I ordered, you got a free gift, and I got these wiry words, which I think is a really nice stamp set. That, not something I would have brought, but I actually like it now I've seen it. So the magazine, it says we get obviously our 68-page magazine. There's the Gemini Merry Christmas die. It says it's a Lee Holland stamp set. I'll just, you can see you've got lots of sentiments and the cute dragon that drew me in. And we've got a holly embossing folder. And it says also on here 1,200 plus digital downloads. So we get lots of, says festive papers, toppers and jizzy stamps on the back here. So I'll just move those aside. I like these magazines because they give you so many ideas what you can do with your products. That's a better picture of the embossing folder and the stamps, and that cute little dragon there, and your Merry Christmas die. Like I say, you get lots of ideas, cards, all different styles of cards. Some chat on some of the presenters on Crafters Companion. But the main thing that I liked in here was this box. So I'm going to do a tutorial on this box, so watch out for that one. So that's it. Like I said, it was just a quick one today, and I'll try and do a tutorial using these dies as well. And if I've got time, I'll try my wiry words as well. So if you could click and like the subscribe button, that makes me happy. If you click the little bell, it'll tell you next time I pop something up. Details will be on my blog at shellbower.blogspot.com. And until next time, bye bye for now. Just a quick little advert for next week. I showed you the magazine and everything you got in there, the dies, the stamps. And I said I'd show you how to make this little box. I've made this little box, but next week I'm going to show you how to make this little box using your goodies with the magazine.